In this video, I'll show you how to connect to a Hive database. There are two methods. We will be talking about connecting it through SSH, and also we'll be using one of the client tool. Let's get started. As you can see, the Hive server is up, and the service is started. Now it's ready to use. The first method is to log in to SSH using the local host. The port number is 4200. Let's go ahead and use it, the root account. You can also use a different account here. So for now, I will just go ahead and use this. Once you log in with SSH, all you have to type in is Hive. Right? When you type in Hive, it's going to start the Hive command prompt. So this is the command prompt. This is where you can type in commands like short tables, and there are no tables. For that, we will first see what are the databases available. So we will see show databases. Okay, so there are four databases here. I'm going to use a FoodMart database. Okay, now I have used the FoodMart database. Let's see how many tables exist in this database. Okay, now you see many tables are existing. So for example, you see, let's try to query the customer table here. And since this table might have more than 1000 records, we will be applying one filter called limit one. So this will limit only one record. It's going to read only one record and display us on the console. So this is that one record. As you can see, this is not a very user friendly. It's very hard to look at the records and do any manipulation here, right? So in order to avoid this, we can actually set up external client using which you can connect to Hive database, the same database. We can query and look at the data appropriately. So for that, I'll be using a client tool called Agility Pro. You can just go to Google and then go to this Agility Pro website, and from there you can actually download this client. It's a free download, and this is how it looks. This is where you'll see the database connection. Under that, you will be able to see all the tables, and then all the required details. So this client will be really useful in order to query the data, look at the data, and do all sorts of aggregation and things like that. Whereas this console is not really helpful. We will go ahead and download the software and then launch it. Okay, I have clicked on download. Once this is downloaded, so there are two options available. You can just go with Agility Pro, which is a free edition. Go ahead and download this. I have already downloaded it. Once you download, it's a very quick install. Just click next, and you should be able to install this software without any issue. Once that is installed, go to your start menu and then type in Agility. This is the software which we will be using in order to connect to Hive. So this tool is now starting up. Now it is on. Okay, so this is how it looks. On the left hand side you will see all the connection. On the right hand side you can write your Hive queries, and this is the output window. I have already created this Hive connection here. All we have to do is give some name, and we will choose that Hive server from the drop down. And in the host, since the sandbox is on my local, I'll be giving the local host. There's no change to port, and the protocol will be Hive 2. And in the transport mode, we would be choosing HTTP, and HTTP path is the direct copy from this place, from the SSH. And we'll be supplying the username as Hive, and there is no password to it. Alright, so this is all configuration required on your connection. Go ahead and click on test. Okay, as you see here, test connection to HTTP Hive is successful. So this is how you make connection to Hive database. Just go ahead and click on save. Once it's saved, let's go to our client tool. And from the drop down we'll choose HTTP HiveDB, and from here we can type in show databases. Right, so this will list down all the databases, like how exactly we have seen in the SSH console. The same way you can perform all the Hive related queries using any commands over here. So for now I'll go ahead and use the FoodMart database. You can hit Control Enter, or you can click on this run at cursor. Now we have already used the FoodMart. Let's see what are the tables we have. So under that, you can actually choose it from FoodMart and then click on Hive Show Tables. So this is how you should be able to see all the available tables here. Now we can do a select star from customer. So this will be easy to read your customer table records. So this comes in a nicely formatted fashion. This will be easy to navigate to your data and check all the data points.